this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is my husband's birthday, so I just want to say happy birthday to my husband. If you all have been following me a while, then you know that all of my family's birthday is here in August. We all are Leos except my oldest daughter. She's a Virgo. But we're not going to say anything about that because guess what? Her birthday is still in August. So what I'm going to be doing today, but first I want to tell you, don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. I would love to have you part of the Ieasha Designed It family. So what I'm going to be doing today, my oldest daughter's birthday is at the end of the month. So she asked me if I would make her a t-shirt for her birthday. So I'm going to show you what I have designed. Now I've already printed this out because I have plenty of videos where I print out my designs and everything, so you can go back and watch them. I'm also going to be linking them right here or right here. It's going to be in one of these areas, so make sure you go and click on, I think it's like Sublimation for Beginners or something like that, okay? So make sure you go and check it out. But this is what I designed for my daughter. This is my oldest daughter, all right, right here. And you probably have seen her before because I have templates with her picture on it over my website. So make sure you go and check out my website at www.ieashadesignit.com. Now I also have these on my website as birthday templates, okay? Now these are editable templates. What editable templates mean, it means that you can edit however you want to. You can remove my daughter's picture and put your picture, put your kid's picture, you can put your picture or whomever picture that you want to. You can also change the background. You can add whatever background that you want to, but you have to be familiar in Canva. That's why I do all of my designs. I have Canva Pro. Now you can create some things with the Canva for free, but you're limited on what you can do, okay? So I just wanted to let you know that every template that I have is an editable Canva template, which means that you can change it to fit you, to fit what you need, okay? You can change it to fit your needs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I've already showed you the design. Now this is printed on 13 by 19 paper. I am using the HTV Runt paper, if you can see that right there. The ink that I'm using is Hippo ink. I love Hippo ink, an amazing ink, very vibrant, and I'm also loving this HTV Runt paper. Now I have an Epson ET 8550 that I absolutely love. Remember, I started out with the Epson ET 2760 and I moved up to the Epson ET this new printer here that I have because I wanted to print bigger prints. All right, so I'm heating up my Better Sub heat press. I have a Better Sub 15 by 15 heat press. I'm going to be pressing this shirt at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So let me go ahead, go over to the heat press, and I'm going to show you first about what I'm going to do to this shirt. Let's go. All right, so what I'm going to do first is go ahead and remove this little tag or this little sticker right here that came on the shirt. And what I'm going to do next is go ahead and lint roll it. Always remember to lint roll your shirts. First of all, I'm going to measure to make sure everything is good as I put it on here. Now you can use a ruler to measure just to make sure everything is even, but normally I kind of go with this this tag here. Now all the time you can't just go with the tag because sometimes the tag will be, you know, different depending on the shirts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my lint roller and I'm going to go ahead and lint roll my shirt. Now this is very important because this right here, go ahead and get any lint off your shirt. You don't want any lint on your shirt. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and take my my design right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my shirt. So what I normally do is come down about 4 fingers from the neckline right here. You can see that. And what I'm going to do, It's a little long, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this heat tape here. And this is just to hold the design down onto your shirt. Well, first of all, okay, so the next thing that you do after you get it, after you lint roll it, is go ahead and pre-press it. Now, pre-pressing is very important because that go ahead and get any moisture out of your shirt that may be in, you know, in your shirt. And it doesn't have to be long. It can be a 4 or 5 seconds just to get anything out. Okay. And normally I would put like a piece of butcher paper on my shirt, and that is just because sometimes you know, you never know when any ink or anything may leak, may get on the top plate of your heat press. And that's just helped me because I don't want to have to keep buying t-shirts, because if you mess up your t-shirt, you would have to go get another one. So normally that's what I do, but I didn't do it that time. Okay. All right, y'all. So what I did, since the paper is longer, I just turned my shirt around to face this way. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my butcher paper over it. And what butcher paper do is just to catch any ink that may come through from your sublimation paper. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and press it for 60 seconds. I'm trying to make sure everything is good. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up. Now don't have your pressure too firm, just firm enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to pull this up, just like so. So now what I'm gonna do now is get the bottom part that I didn't get. I'm just gonna put some tape right here. Put this back on top, and I'm just going to press it again. All right, so go ahead and open it up. Okay, so like I always say, normally if you can see the design through the shirt, that means it has been sublimated. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull it down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat press, and we're going to see how it looks. So let's go ahead and take it off. I hope everything came out really looking good, since I have to press. Oh, this is cute, y'all. Oh, this came out beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm going to show you. Hold on one second. I'll take this tape off. Can y'all see it? No, it might be in the way. Alright, so let me show you how this came out. It looks so good. Let me go over here to my chair. All right, everyone, so here is the shirt. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you, when it comes to your shirts, what type of shirt that you use is very important. Now, the more the polyester count, the more vibrant your design will look. Now, this shirt here, this is the Bella Canvas. I don't know what number it is. Like I said, I got it from Michael's, but it is a large, and it's a 50% polyester, and Yeah, it said 50% polyester, 25% cotton, and 25% rayon or something like that. So that's why I normally get the jerseys, because the jerseys is 100% polyester, and I absolutely love those. Now, if you like Bella Canvas, I think they have some polyester shirts that are higher in the polyester count, but that's something that you will have to find. Like I said, I'm a jerseys girl. That's what I like. But I did not have any shirts in my daughter's size, and I know that by the time where I order my shirts, they usually get here pretty fast, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out and make her this shirt, but she loved it, so we're gonna go with this one. I have some more another design that I'm going to be making on another shirt with some more of her birthday photo shoot pictures that she took. So yeah, but I wanted to bring this video to you. It's absolutely gorgeous. And again, go and check out my website for the template. Remember, it's editable. You can change it however way that you want. And this is absolutely gorgeous for any birthday. You can change it up for whatever fits your needs. So I thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on my next video. Oh, and make sure you follow me on all my other social medias. I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and make sure you subscribe right here. Y'all enjoy your day and have a great day. Peace.